Hello, good day, guys. Today we have this question here. They say this line RS and this line QS are tangent to the circle at this point Q and R. Find the area of this portion here in blue if the circumference of the circle is 12.57 centimeters. So how can we solve this? Since this line here meets at this point here, we can draw a line from this point here to this point here. So we can have a triangle QRS. Now from the triangle here, if we remove the surface area of this portion here, we are going to be left with the area of this portion here in blue, which we are asked to find its area. Now owing to that, we can label this A and this here B and form an equation that area of A equal to area of triangle QRS minus area of B. So first of all, now we have to find the area of triangle QRS. So how can we find it? The formula for the surface area of a triangle is half base times height. So what are the base and the height? To know this, we need to know what type of triangle it is, and for that we need the sizes of its angles. So how can you find the sizes of its angles? Since this line RS and line QS are tangent to the circle, and this line QR is a chord to the circle, in the circle theory, there is a property of a circle that the angle tangent of a circle makes with its chord true point of contact is equal to the angle that chord subtend to the circumference. And that implies that this angle and this angle here must be equal to this angle here, which is 70 degrees. So these are also 70 degrees. Now since two of the angles of the triangle are equal, that means the triangle is an isosceles triangle, and the base of an isosceles triangle is the side that form angles of the same sizes with the two other sides, which is this angle here and this angle here. And that means that this is the base. The height of an isosceles triangle is represented by a line perpendicular to the base and at the same time bisecting the vertex angle and the base itself. So that means this here is equal to this line here, the base of the triangle. To know that, we at least need to know the length of one of the sides. So since this here is also at the same time a chord of a circle, the formula for finding the length of a chord of a circle is 2r sine theta over 2. So we can say line QR equal to 2r sine theta over 2. Theta is the angle it subtends to the center. So what is the size of the angle it subtends to the center? If you look here, this angle here is 70 degrees and is subtended to the circumference. And in the circle theory, the angle subtended to the center is twice the angle subtended to the circumference if both angles are subtended by the same arc. So therefore, this must be 2 times 70 degrees, which is 140 degrees. Now what is R? R is the radius of the circle. So what is the radius of the circle? We are not given the value, but here they say the circumference of the circle is 12.57, and we know that the formula for finding the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, where pi is 22 over 7 and r is the radius. So now we can equate 2 times 22 over 7 times r to 12.57. 2 times 22 over 7 is 44 over 7. So 44 over 7 r equal to 12.57. Now dividing both sides by 44 over 7, now r equal to 12.57 divided by 44 over 7, which if you press your calculator equal to 1.99, approximately equal to 2. So r equal to 2 centimeters. Substituting here now, line QR equal to 2 times and 140 over 2, which if you press your calculator equal to 3.788, approximately equal to 3.8. So line QR approximately equal to 3.8 centimeters. Substituting here, since this line here has bisected line QR, that means this will be 3.8 over 2 and this also 3.8 over 2. 3.8 over 2 is 1.9, but the base is 3.8 centimeter from this here. Now what is the height? Since this here is a right angle triangle and we have the length of this side here and the size of this angle here, you can use the SOHCAHTOA to find the length of this side here. So from this angle here, this is the opposite and this is the adjacent. And here, then theta equal to opposite over adjacent. Theta is 70 degrees, adjacent is 1.9 centimeters, and opposite is the height. So tan 70 degrees equal to height over 1.9. Now making h the subject, h equal to tan 70 degrees times 1.9, which if you press your calculator equal to 5.2. So height equal to 5.2. And we already found base to be 3.8 centimeters. Now coming back to this our formula for finding the length of the triangle, substituting height equal to 5.2 and base equal to 3.8. Now triangle QRS equal to 1 over 2 times 3.8 times 5.2, which if you press your calculator equal to 9.88. So triangle QRS equal to 9.88 centimeters squared. Substitute here now. Area of A equal to 9.88 minus area of B. So what is the area of B?